Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Afiq bin Ibrahim Arazi. I'm 18 years old. Today I'm going to teach you how to install a RAM and SSD into your old computer. Let's jump right into it. This is the laptop I'm going to be upgrading today. We need an SSD and RAM that is compatible with the laptop. Oh, don't forget, we need a screwdriver. Please note, this is the screw that is gonna be removed before opening up the laptop. Now the screw has been removed. Pry open the laptop carefully because there's a ribbon cable underneath the keyboard. Carefully open up the latch that is attached to the ribbon cable. Moving on to the next part, carefully removing the I/O of the laptop and remove this hard drive cage carefully and the screw that holding on the hard drive onto the cage. Now we're gonna be installing the SSD that is gonna be our boot drive. Next, we're gonna be removing the optical drive and replacing it with KD hard drive. Now we're gonna take the hard drive and put it in the KD and screw in the hard drive with the included screw that come with the KD. We're gonna take this part of the optical drive and put it in the KD hard drive. This part as well. I'm gonna place the KD hard drive how we remove the optical drive and screw in place. We're gonna take the keyboard side of the laptop and put it back together. Now this is the screw that is going to be removed to install our memory. To install our sold-in memory, make sure that the pin is lined up correctly, like is shown here. To install the memory, the memory must be come at an angle and seated properly until it clicks. And that's how you install a memory and SSD to your old laptop and make it faster.